Welcome to Gauri's Science Experiments.
Remember in my previous experiment, I showed you how to find the North Pole and the South Pole of a magnet from a compass. Let's go do it again.
Today my experiment is about magnetic spinning top.
I have a neodymium magnet and a compass. As you can see, the compass is showing the S side. That means this is the South Pole of the magnet. And let's go see what happens if I flip it. Now, the red needle is pointing to the N. That means it's the North Pole of the magnet. I labeled the neodymium magnet the North and the South. And now I have a larger ceramic magnet that I did the same thing. By the way, the best place to find this ceramic magnet is to go to shops that find pieces of speakers and microwaves. We need to make a spinning top. So for this, we'll need a piece of wood, a thumbtack, and your magnet. So first we're going to get your piece of wood and put the thumbtack into the piece of wood. And then put the magnet through and then tape it. Use it with electric tape to make it strong. Let's try to spin it. That's how it looks like. For this, you'll need 2 large bowls and that ceramic magnet and a piece of wood. The south side of the ceramic magnet has to face till the top, and the 2 drives have to be exactly the same height. We don't want it to slide down. Let's spin the magnet and see what happens. The cloth was making so much friction, so I removed the cloth and now I have the smooth table. So, if you spin it nicely, that takes a lot of practice. It spins like an oval shape and it goes all around the ceramic magnet. That's because when it comes to the middle of the magnet, it pushes out. But when it comes at the sides of the ceramic magnet, it pushes in. I wonder how long you can get it to spin.